Okay, it's day 30 and we're back on the road here on the Via Podiensis, the Le Camino, and we're heading toward my next town in Miramont Sensacq, something like that. And pronouncing the names of these places is off my chart, so on the way we're heading to the church to get back on the trail. It's usually a good starting point. So here we go.
Here, just outside Aire-sur-l'Adour, is the church of Sainte-Quitterie du Mas, built on the site of an old Roman temple. It's been welcoming pilgrims for almost 1,000 years. Many used to stop here to pray at the crypt and the sarcophagus of Sainte-Quitterie, asking for healing before continuing toward Santiago.
I'm out of here. He's back. You don't like me. I don't get it. You already told the neighborhood. I'm telling you. Tough guy. So by the look of the road back there, the way the waste was kind of pushed out into the road, looks like we had quite a bit of rain last night. I can only imagine what the puddles are going to be like today. And the mud. This is a day where you don't mind being on the blacktop, on the road, I'm guessing. But here we go.
Here, the GR65 skirts Lelac du Broussean, a calm lake set aside as a quiet zone for birds and other wildlife.
This is an amazing path here. I hope this continues for a while, but you never know. I know once I get up here to a certain spot, it's going to be flat all the way, elevation-wise, until I get to my town, which is a straight 17 and a half kilometer walk. The only town, the only place to get water between here and my last Gite. So here we go.
We've been getting rain almost every night now, and by morning the trail turns back into mud. Does make for fast walking, but this is part of the reality of the Camino. You just accept the conditions, slow your pace, and keep moving forward.
We're into more of the Roman road with the rock here, but as you can see up ahead, it's going to get a little softer. Here we go.
This church belongs to the parish of Tursan St. Marie, which brings together several small communities in this region. Inside this church, there's a small marker set into the floor under glass. It's a quiet reminder that other stories and other lives are literally beneath our feet as we walk the Camino. For centuries, churches like this have been more than Sunday buildings. They're also waypoints for pilgrims, offering a roof, a bell to orient you, and a reminder that you're not walking alone.
Ouais, mais non, mais c'est quelqu'un qui m'en fait ça. Et par contre, vous n'allez pas passer sur la chapelle de Saint-Sac.
Non, on s'est dit, c'est à 1 kilomètre. On va descendre là.
Ah, vous allez redescendre pour aller là-bas.
Bah ouais.
Ah, voilà.
Sharing this communal meal reminds me that the Camino isn't just about the landscape and the churches. It's also about these ordinary moments, passing the bread, listening to someone else's reasons for walking, and realizing you're part of a much bigger story.
Small pasta. It's very good.
Mais très taquine, avec ce côté poisson en rire, on fait là.
C'est du lard ou du cochon?
Ouais,
Ouais.
Marie, pour moi, ce petit.
Non, mais c'est végétarien là.
Oui, c'est ça. Qu'est-ce que je voudrais pour moi?